So this is the Roborock floor cleaning solution. I use this with my Roborock and I've had this for maybe a month and a half. I have 4 dogs, so I always have to run the mopping cycle for my Roborock daily, if not twice a day, because they just go in and out the door and track in a lot of dirt. So this has been a lifesaver for me because I'll show you. So this is how big the tank is for my Roborock, and I use one of these for this, and it only really needs just one for this to clean my floors. And it's really great because it picks up a lot of dirt. I would say that there is a clean scent, but it's so minimal that I don't really use this for the scent. I just use it for the cleaning solution. This is compatible with other robot cleaners, so I also use it in my Tenneco, and I don't have to use a whole cap for it. I might put half a cup or maybe even just a few drops in there. So you don't have to use a lot to get what you need. So it says on here it has natural fragrances, low sudsing, removes dirt and grease, hard flooring surfaces, so it's good for basically your tiles. I have the wood on my floor and it works great for us. It doesn't damage my floor, so I'm really happy about that. So let me just show you how much I put in. So I just take this cap and then I pour it in here and I close this up, and then it goes in here, and it just makes my life that much easier. I don't have to get out my mop and mop my floors. This takes care of it. So if you're in the market for a floor cleaning solutions for your robot mops, especially your Roborock, you should definitely check this one out.